Hello, here we are again. It is day 6 of the 14, and today I like to talk to you about all the lost parts of our own soul. Because what happens in this time and space opening, each time when somebody very dear is dying, it can be that a woman is losing a baby or after an abortion or after death or after friends died, family, partners, children, whatever, the dear ones, if they die, then part of us go with them to accompany them so that they don't go alone. And each time we are giving away a little part of us here and there and there and there. And at the end, our soul is really fragmented totally. And we, at the end, don't know anymore who we are. So it is extremely important, A, to know that this can happen or happens, and B, that we really recollect all these parts of our own soul. So we are going to search in all the time and space openings. And you know already, if you saw the film Avatar, the movie, then you know already one could go into live in one reality and in the other reality. And I'm sure we are living in many realities at the same time. So those are parallel lives, but our soul is doing all these experiences. So in all times and time and space openings, we recollect all the parts of our own soul, and we bring them straight away to source in order to be cleaned, because they have suffered so much, and we can't handle these parts completely damaged to get them back. It's not nice. So we have them first totally cleaned up, and then we permit them to come back, so that at the end we are totally complete and whole and healthy and well and in our full potential. And then we are able to do the next chapter that I will talk about tomorrow. So that is a short video for today. Goodbye.